Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. And this video I will show you how to make a afterglow look on your images using Google Pixel smartphone. First of all, open your Google Photos and choose the required image you want to make a afterglow look. Here you can see the edit option on the bottom side of this image. Choose the edit option. In the suggestions, scroll towards right to reach the Afterglow option. Tap on the Afterglow. Now your image is turned into a Afterglow look. By doing this, you can make a Afterglow effect on any images. Tap on the Save Copy option on the bottom right corner to save this image into your gallery. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.